Ready, start. This hearing has been done through hybrid mode. Full stop. The present appeal under section 117A of the Patents Act 1970 was originally filed by the appellant BlackBerry Limited before the Intellectual Property Appellate Board in the year 2020. Full stop. Wide order notice was issued by the IPAB in the present appeal. Full stop. Thereafter, consequent upon the abolition of the IPAB and upon the enactment of the Tribunals Reforms Act 2021, the present appeal stood transferred to this court. Full stop. The appellant is a corporation organized under the laws of Ontario, Canada, specializing in providing telecommunication products, services and solutions. Full stop. These include enterprise software, Internet of Things, network infrastructure and other associated services. Full stop. The appellant was originally known as Research in Motion and is widely known as the former developer of the BlackBerry brand of smartphones and tablets, as also the messaging app BlackBerry Messenger, commonly referred to as BBM. Full stop. The appellant claims that its products are used worldwide by various businesses, automobile makers and government agencies. Full stop. The present appeal relates to the subject patent application titled Administration of Wireless Systems. Full stop. The subject patent application bearing application was filed on 25th July 2008 with 10 claims as a convention application, claiming priority from 3 US patent applications. Full stop. The earliest priority date of the subject patent application is 27th July 2007. Full stop. Thereafter, the subject patent application published as per section 11 of the Act on 6th March 2009. Full stop. Para. The appellant filed a request for examination for the subject patent application on 19th November 2008. Full stop. In response to the same, initially the Indian Patent Office issued a first examination report raising objections of redundancy of claims, lack of inventive step, as also an objection under section 3K of the Act. Full stop. Other objections regarding lack of clarity and non-compliance with formal requirements were also raised by the IPO in the said FER. Full stop. To substantiate the objection of lack of inventive step, the Assistant Controller of Patents and Designs cited give prior art documents. Full stop. A tabular chart capturing the details of the 5 prior art documents cited by the controller is set out. Full stop. In response to the FER, the appellant filed their reply requesting the controller to reconsider the objection regarding redundancy of claims, as also waive the objections of lack of inventive step and subject matter eligibility under section 3K of the Act. Full stop. Para. In response to the reply to the FER submitted by the appellant, the controller issued a hearing notice dated 16th July 2019 reiterating some of the objections of lack of clarity, redundancy of claims and subject matter eligibility under section 3K of the Act. Full stop. Additionally, some formal objections were also cited by the controller. Full stop. However, the objection of lack of inventive step was, however, dropped by the controller, taking into consideration the explanation given by the appellant, which distinguished the prior arts cited by the IPO. Full stop. The appellant attended the hearing scheduled by the controller on the 6th September 2019 and subsequently filed written submissions to substantiate its arguments, seeking grant of the subject patent application. Full stop. In the written submissions filed before the IPO, the appellant revised the claims of the subject patent application and limited them to 6 claims. Full stop. Further, to overcome the objection of redundancy of claims, the appellant claims 1-3 of the originally filed claims were cancelled. Full stop. In respect of the pending objection under section 3K of the Act, the appellant asserted that the claims of the subject patent had a technical effect and were technically enabled, which contribute to their technical character. Full stop. Accordingly, the appellant contended that the objection under section 3K of the Act was not tenable. Full stop. In addition, the appellant also attempted to overcome all the formal objections raised by the controller in the hearing notice. Full stop. Para. However, despite the submissions advanced by the appellant, the controller refused the application for the grant of the patent under section 15 of the Act on the grounds that the objection relating to non-patentability under section 3K of the Act still persisted. First up, the impugned order dated 25th September 2019 was passed on the grounds that the subject application was directed towards sets of instructions and software which were purely functional and lacking any inventive hardware features. Full stop. Aggrieved by the impugned order, the appellant has filed the present appeal. Full stop. Submissions of the appellant on behalf of the appellant submissions have been advanced. Full stop. He has primarily canvassed his submission on the basis of a synopsis of appeal dated 19th September 2022 and a brief note of submissions dated 27th March 2023. Full stop. The appellant has also filed a chart giving the status of applications derived from the same priority and or part of the same patent family. Full stop. The said chart also includes the status of Indian patent applications deriving priority from the same application and or part of same patent family. Full stop. It is the case of the appellant that the subject patent application relates. Full stop. Overall,